Inter-house quiz competition, Oasis English Medium School.
No, wrong answer. Then second question, which atmospheric layer contains the ozone layer?
This house.
Yes, stratosphere, it's the correct answer. Then for Shivaji house, name the three major parallel ranges of the Himalayas.
Say it loudly.
Okay,
Yes, correct.
correct answer. Sit down. Second question, which plateau lies south of the Narmada river? Which plateau lies south of the Narmada river? Yes, correct answer. Both the answers are correct. Then for Ashoka house, what is the highest peak in the Western Ghats?
K2.
What is the highest peak in the Western Ghats?
Oi, oi,
Loudly. It's a Anamus. Then next question, name the standard meridian of India.
82 and a half.
Name the standard meridian of India. Quick. No. Its answer is 82.5 degree. Then for Raman house, give two examples of renewable sources.
Solar energy and wind energy.
Next, correct answer, list main factors causing soil degradation. Second question,
Plastic and
what?
plastic.
Soil degradation, no. Main cause is the deforestation. Soil degradation. First round is over. Then for second round, one question for each house. Starting from Tagore House, in which year was the partition of Bengal announced by Lord Curzon? Partition of Bengal. No, 1905. Then for Red House, Shivaji House, who was the first Sultan of the Delhi Sultanate?
oi, oi.
No, wrong answer. It's Qutbuddin Aibak. Then for the Ashoka House, the word India comes from which river? Yes, correct answer. Then for the Raman House, why did Mahatma Gandhi abruptly call off the non-cooperation movement in February 1922?
Because violence takes place.
That movement, incident, due to which incident? What incidents happened before that? Correct. Chava.
Sorry.
So it's a wrong answer. Sorry.
Oi.
Second round, only one question, but marks. One mark. Good morning, everyone. It's third
question is, who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Question 2, Tagore House. I repeat the question. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India?
Dissident.
No, wrong answer. The correct answer is President of India. Second question is, the Parliament of India consists of two houses. Which are they?
Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Already Tagore House gave the answer, so we change the question. Okay, that is the correct answer. The answer is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The third question is, the midday meal scheme was first introduced in which state?
Tamil Nadu.
Yes, the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. Fourth question for Ashoka House. Who is the executive head of a state in India? I repeat the question. Listen it carefully. Who is the executive head of the state of India? State in India, sir.
Chief Minister.
No, wrong answer. The correct answer is the governor. Okay, now it's fourth round about economics. The first question for Tagore House. The first question is okay. Economics round. First question to Tagore House. Which economic sector includes farming, fishing, and mining? Yes. Yes, the answer is correct. Primary sector. Second question is, which economic sector is also known as service sector? I repeat the question. Which economic sector is also known as service sector? Yes, the answer is correct. Tertiary sector. Third question. What is the money a business makes after subtracting all costs called? Yes, the answer is correct. Profit. Fourth question. What is the process of improving the quality of human life and well-being called? I repeat the question. What is the process of improving the quality of human life and well-being called?
Thank you.
Did you get the question? Okay. Time up. Its answer is development. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sir, phone.
Good morning, everyone.
Poonam Chandra.
The fifth
Poonam-
round will be visual round.
Poonam Barve.
Pictures will be shown to all the teams, and they have to identify the pictures. Okay. One
Poonam
by one,
Barve.
I will show the pictures to all the
Barve.
house members. Right? So identify it, and only that particular team will give the answer. Other team will not give the answer.
Oi. Boss.
Recent.
Wrong answer. Raman team has given the wrong answer. Other than these all only Raman has given the wrong answer. Other than all houses given the right answer. Clap for them. The last round, that is buzzer round, means if you know the answer, those team will know the answer, they will raise their hand, okay, and they will get the chance to give the answer of that question. The question will be asked by Sharad. I would like to invite Sharad sir to please ask the question.
I shall ask you one question. After my question, you must raise your hand, and here teachers are seated. They will tell me which house Rose answers. Okay. The first question is: when did Mahatma Gandhi start civil disobedience movement?
Sir. Yellow. Tag.
Wait, next question, just pay attention. Huh? You are going to pay attention. When did Mahatma Gandhi cancel civil disobedience movement?
Sir.
It's a wrong answer. Negative marking, we are not declared so. Next question, answer. 1931, it's a correct answer. Yes. The next question: when did Subhash Chandra Bose establish Indian National Army? Actually, Subhash Chandra Bose not. He led. But when did Indian National Army establish? Yes. Wrong answer. 1941. When did the partition of Bengal cancel? (1911). And last question I am going to ask you: which planet is called as a dwarf planet? Okay, down your hand. Down your hand. Pay attention once again. I am asking second question. Next question. Next question. Which valley is famous in Ahmednagar district as a tourist spot? Which valley, which is very famous? Sandandari, this is correct answer. You have three hands. And here this is the Ramidari.
To declare the result, I would like to call judges here on the dais. Please come forward and declare the result.
Good morning, dear students, and it's the result. Raman House secured 2 points, Tagore House 5 points, Ashoka House 5 points, and it's today's winner, Chhatrapati Shivaji House. So clap for them. Congratulations. They got 7.